What I've discovered today has minorly blew my mind. Probably not news to a lot of people, but just in case you're wondering, you can use nails in masonry, as long as you got the right type of nails. G'day guys, and welcome to what is probably going to be the quickest quick fix in Fixit Fingers history. I want to rehang my whiteboard because I recently had to move it to get a few different tools into place. And typical way, you're going to need a hammer drill, you're going to need some decent masonry bits, and you're going to need some plugs, you know, those Ramset wall plugs or just the greenies that you bash in there. It's noisy, it's dusty, and not everyone has this sort of equipment. Now, obviously, if you're making something like that, which is holding a bunch of weight, then you're going to be even looking at bigger anchor bolts and those sorts of things, but you don't need to go that overkill. Yeah, I know, listen to me talk. These are concrete nails or masonry nails. My particular ones are from Ramset, they're from Bunnings, they're a couple of bucks, and they are changing my little life. I've just tried them out for the first time on the bricks. I tried it in the actual brick and that didn't work too well. Now, obviously, you got to be careful of where you're going to be hanging stuff up. Make sure you've got good mortar. It doesn't want to be terribly crumbly. And the good news is, if you ever moved it, you can take it out, put some cement mortar in there, and you've patched your hole really, really quickly. Now, I will stress, these aren't going to take a huge amount of weight, okay? Mortar is not the strongest substrate to be bashing into. But for me, I'm doing a whiteboard, and that's got about 1.5 kilos in it at absolute best. Let's see how these work. So, instead of this, all I need is this. There you go, 5-second job. Easy as you like.
Now, the scientist in me wanted to do a little bit more testing because these were meant to be concrete nails, not mortar nails. So here is some regular cement and some sandstone from our garden, and I was trying out first the masonry nails and then a boomerang of a regular nail. Then I got a shorter regular nail, and surprise, surprise, that actually worked. It went in there just fine. So the long one didn't work, but both the cement and the sandstone, a regular stubby nail went in there, not a problem. Look at that, side by side with the masonry nail. That's the sandstone. They were in there pretty good. To give it a real test, however, I thought I'd take it up to some reinforced concrete. Now, it already failed in the bricks, but bricks have incredibly high compression in them. Here, it was going well, and then it just flew out with the regular nail, and the masonry nail, same thing. It was just chipping away the concrete. It couldn't actually get a purchase in there. I belted that so hard, we bent both of them, even the masonry nail. So, great in sedimentary rocks and in the mortar and soft concrete. I have heard other people with other brands get results, but in bricks and in reinforced concrete, just couldn't get it to work.
Well, I thought that was a great little quick tip. If you have liked it, do smash the thumbs up and consider subscribing if you'd like to catch some more woodwork and the odd handyman hint just like this one. I'll see you next week.